Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Binayan. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering. Today, I am going to discuss about OOPS Java. In that, my topic is automatic type promotion in expressions. Welcome to this presentation on automatic type promotion in expressions. We'll explore the concept, its necessity, and how it functions within programming languages. We'll delve into the rules of numeric promotion, examine its application in arithmetic relation and logic expressions, and highlight the advantages and potential issues associated with this fundamental aspect of programming. What is automatic type promotion? Let we see about its definition. Automatic type promotion refers to the implicit conversion of data from one type to another, often occurring during the evaluation of expressions. The compiler automatically adjusts the data types involved to ensure compatibility and consistency within the expression. Let us see one example for it. Consider adding an integer to a floating point number. The integer will be promoted to a floating point number before the addition operations takes place. This ensures that the result of the addition is also a floating point number. The need of automatic type promotion. What are all the needs in the automatic type promotion? Means data type compatibility, consistency in result, efficiency in code. Data type compatibility. Different data types have varying sizes and representations. Automatic type promotion ensures that operations can perform on values of different types without causing errors. Efficiency in code. By handling type conversion automatically, the compiler to reducing the burden on developers to manually handle to the basic operations. Consistency in result. Type promotion helps maintain consistency in the output of expressions. It guarantees that the result of an operation aligns with the expected data type, avoiding unexpected conversions. Primitive data types in programming languages. There are four in that: integers, floating point numbers, characters, booleans. Integers represent whole numbers without a fractional component. Examples: int, long, short. Floating point numbers represent numbers with a decimal component. Examples: float, double. Characters represent single characters. Examples: char for character word and w char space t. Booleans represent truth values, either true or false. Numeric promotion rules. There are five in that: boolean, char, short, int, long. Boolean, smallest size limited to true or false. Character, char, represents a single character often promoted to integer. Short, represents a short integer often promoted to int or long. Int, standard integer size often serves as a default promotion target. Long, represent larger integer than the often offer for large. Arithmetic expressions and type promotion. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In addition, if one operand is double, the other is promoted to double before the addition. Int plus double results in double. Subtraction, same rules apply as addition. Int double results in double. Multiplication, same rules apply as in addition and subtraction. Int star double results in double. Division, if one operand is double, the other is promoted to double before the double. Int int divided by double results in double. Type promotion in relational and logical expressions. Relation operators and logical operators. Operators like is equal to and not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to. greater than or equal to. Compare values. If one operand is double, the other is promoted to double. Logical operators. Operators like and operator, or operator, not operator work on Boolean values in expressions with mixed types, prints the ensure Boolean compression. Benefits of automatic type promotion. Simplifies code, reduces errors, enhance code readability. Developers don't need to write explicit type conversion statements for basic operators. Reduces errors. Automatic promotion minimizes the risk of unit type mismatches leading to fewer runtimes errors. Enhance code readability. Clearer code easier to understand reduces the risk to developers. Potential pitfalls and precision issues. Data loss, uni- unintended behavior. Promotion from a smaller to larger data type may lead to precision loss, particularity, particularly when converting from float to double. Unintended behavior. Implicit promotion can sometimes mask logical errors if developers aren't aware of how types are being promoted. Best practices for managing type promotion. While automatic type promotion is generally helpful, it's essential to be aware of its implications. Be mindful of of potential precision loss. Consider using explicit type conversion for critical operations. Understanding the promotion rules will ensure your predictability and yields accurate results. Thank you. Thank you for watching.